Some of my favorite cookies.
Up.
You guys vlogging?
Yes. We had cupcakes, we decorated a cookie, and then we ate the cookie.
Kyler, do you see any over here? Oh, there's some. What does Michael take us to do?
Fishing!
Go fishing? Alright guys, just getting home and the wife and kids are throwing an Easter egg hunt party. Oh, there's one of them right there. Hi Rocky, how are you?
Did you see those? They have flowers?
Hi Remi.
Flowers.
Ooh, it's so pretty. Come on down so I can see it. Why are you riding your bike in the house, dude?
No, I'm putting it away.
Oh, you're putting it away? Good job. Hi, my love.
Puppy's in here.
How was your day? Getting ready for these guys to have an Easter egg hunt?
Don't ride it down the stairs.
Whew. Yeah, don't ride it down the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Remi. Let me see that dress. It's so pretty. Beautiful. Hello, Ginger. How are you doing?
I am.
What are you making right now?
I am making a bread bowl dip.
A bread bowl dip.
Yes, and it's supposed to look like a bunny, so we'll see how that goes.
It's gonna look like a bunny?
It's gonna look like a bunny.
Ooh, who made these?
Oh, they look good, huh? Tanya said she made them.
Tanya did not make these. We've tried making macaroons before. They're not easy.
They're not easy, and nobody's looked like that.
Let's see what flavors we got here. We got the cherry, the lemon, lime, passion fruit, mango, blueberry, and coconut. Which one's passion fruit mango? We're gonna go with these ones are passion fruit mango.
You can't tell.
Maybe they are. Yeah, they are. Passion fruit, I taste it now. Remi, did you try one of these cookies yet?
Yeah.
Where'd you guys get them from?
It starts at 4.
Yeah. I got a blue.
Try it. Oops.
Some of my favorite cookies.
Up. Did you just steal that from me?
Yeah.
They're really good. All right, guys, the kids know when it's time to get going, we got to get going. What'd you say? Teamwork what?
They think Capri Sun.
Teamwork makes the Capri Sun work?
Yeah. I made that up by myself.
That's a good one, Remi. I like it. Okay. Look at Rocky's muscles. Looks like she's carrying a lot of it.
Yep, I am.
Kyler's trying to help out. Okay, watch where you're going, guys. Watch where you're going.
Open it. You can stop that. Guys, let me help.
All right, open it up and put it in the fridge, please. Thank you. Going to work. Gotta get all their juice for their friends. And we got the only other dad that came to the party with me. Did you come to the party with me? So I'm not the only guy here?
How you doing?
Because it's just a bunch of moms.
You like going faster on boats now? Awesome, dude. I can't wait.
What are we gonna go do on the boats, dude? What does Michael take us to do?
Fishing!
Go fishing? Do you like fishing now? Yeah. Do you like going fast now too on the boat?
Nice.
All right, that's what I like to hear. What did you do?
Oh, that sounds weird.
Did you put some makeup on? Who did your makeup?
Those glasses look like they're hearts. Hi. What are you doing? Are you guys vlogging?
Yes.
Oh, you got nice lipstick.
Remi, thank you. Daddy!
Doing a dance party while everybody does the eggs. Taking the head and the eggs. Go get one from your room. Ready, Bo? You have a bunch of them. All right, it's the hunt time. Kyler, put these down, dude. You gotta go find some eggs.
They got it from
Go find some eggs, Kyler.
Look in the playroom.
Oh, there's an egg. I see a bunch more eggs. The hunt begins. Panya, good job. Ooh, Panya, you found another one. Ooh, Panya, I think I see another one.
Keep on looking. Where did it go?
Where are you looking, Remi? See any more? Kyler, do you see any over here? Oh, there's some. Oh, good job, dude. Do you have 12 yet? How many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nope, you have 6. Okay, come on. That means you need 6 more. What do we got, everybody? What do we get?
Sit next to your friend.
What'd you get? Tati, did you get 12 eggs?
Yeah.
Cool. Caden, what'd you get?
I got 2
Ooh,
eggs.
cool. Oh yeah, let's not open them yet. We gotta all count them so we can make sure everybody has the right amount.
I already count mine.
How many did you get?
How many eggs?
12.
How many eggs did you take?
Pepper and Panya gave me some.
How many did you get? How many? 4 extras? Okay, but how many did you get? You just counted a second ago.
But I forgot.
Ladies, what are we doing?
I want pizza.
So what you doing?
Remi, are you already eating your cookie?
I don't have pink. Nope.
Okay.
Who needs purple?
Pink.
Remi, where's your plate at, babe? Are you not decorating? What are you eating? A what?
Macaroon.
Cool. Did you want to find a seat and start decorating cookies?
You're welcome. You're
Do
the
it.
best.
What do you want?
Rainbow sprinkles, please.
Rainbow sprinkles? They're so like.
That's mine.
Keegan, let me see your cookie. Yeah.
No.
That's mine.
I always get the ones from Remi. We always get them in makeup, but Rocky's like, she's the one that eats them.
Rocky, let me see your
Kids love
cookie.
Some rainbow sprinkles. These. Daddy.
Everybody is gone from the house now. It's empty, starting to get cleaned up. And Remi and Kyler, what do you want to say, Remi?
Comment down below to our video. Please like our video. Hit the like button.
And what do you want to tell them about our Easter party we just had?
We had cupcakes. We decorated a cookie, and then we ate the cookie. And then at school, we painted it. We dyed eggs, and then we got to eat the hard-boiled eggs.
Oh, you got to eat the hard-boiled eggs afterwards?
Yeah,
Cool.
at a snack.
All right, guys, please subscribe to our channel.
Excuse me.